Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all good. This is your science classes and we discuss chapter number 12, that is reproduction in plants. Okay. Previously we discussed exercise question given in your textbook. Now we have done all the question, that is fill in the blanks, match the columns and also question answer. Now next question, that is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Question number 10. Question number 10, that is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Now First question given in your textbook, the reproductive parts of a plant is the, and options are given leaf, stem, root and flower. First question, the reproductive part of a plant is the option 1 leaf, option 2 stem, option 3 root and option 4 is flower. And the right answer is this question, that is flower. Question is the reproductive part of a plant is the reproductive part plant की कौन से होते हैं? लीफ, स्टीम, रूट, flower, and the right answer is flower. Now next question is question number 2. The process of fusion of the male and the female gametes is called. The process of fusion of the male and female gamete is called now option first is fertilization, option B pollination, pollination, pollination. Options third, reproduction, reproduction, and option 4 is seed formation. Seed formation. Seed formation. Now, in this question, the process of fusion of the male and female gametes is called. First option is fertilization, second option is reproduction, third option is pollination, and fourth is seed formation. And the right answer is that is fertilization. Fertilization. Okay. Now, third question is mature ovary form the mature ovary forms the first option seed, second option stamen, third option pistil, and fourth option fruit. Mature ovary form the seed, stamen, pistil, and fruit. And the right answer is fruit. Now, fourth question is given in your textbook, that is a spore producing organism is D. A spore producing organism is first rose, second bread mold, third potato, and fourth ginger. And the right answer is bread mold. Question: a spore producing organism is, examples are given: rose option 1, option 2 bread mold, option 3 potato, and option 4 ginger, and the right answer is bread mold. Now next question is bryophyllum can reproduce by its. Now next question, bryophyllum can reproduce by its option first, that is stem, option second leaves, option third roots, and option fourth flower. Now right answer is leaves. Bryophyllum can reproduce by its stem, leaves, roots and flower. Answer is leaves. Now we revise some important topic in this chapter, that is reproduction in plants. Revision. First point is reproduction. The production of new individuals from their parents is known as reproduction. The production of new individuals from their parent is known as reproduction. What is reproduction? This is most important topic. It is coming to your annual exam. The production of new individuals from their parents is known as reproductions. Okay, now what is vegetative parts and what is reproductive parts? Vegetative parts, in vegetative parts in these parts, first is roots, second leaves, third stem. Third is stem. And reproductive parts, Flowers are the reproductive parts. Now next is modes of reproduction. Modes of reproduction. Modes of reproduction. These are divided into two parts. Previously we discussed, okay, modes of reproduction, that is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Modes of reproduction. Modes of reproduction. First, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, and second is sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, plants can give rise to new plant without seed. Main point is without seeds. Means asexual रिप्रोडक्शन में जो प्लांट्स का ओरिजिनेशन होता है वो विदाउट सीड्स होता है, उसमें सीड की नीड नहीं होती. एग्जाम्पल में रोज, पोटैटो, जिंजर etc. And in sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from with seed. New plants are obtained from with these seeds. Obtained from new plants are obtained from seeds. Obtained from seeds. Okay. Now next topic is pollination. What is pollination? Pollination, the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma. The transfer of pollen from the anther to stigma of flower is called pollination. Means जब pollen grains एंथर से स्टिग्मा की ओर मूव करते हैं, एंथर से स्टिग्मा को जाते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को हम लोग पॉलिनेशन बोलते हैं. इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन एंड सेकेंड इज क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. पॉलिनेशन, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन and second is cross pollination. It is divided into two parts. First is self pollination and second is cross pollination. In self pollination, the pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma of the same flower or different flower present on the same plants. Okay. Whereas in cross pollination, the pollen grains are transferred from anther of a flower to the stigma of a flower of another but similar plants. Means क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन में क्या होता है, जो पॉलेंस ग्रेन है वो वहां से जो पॉलेंस होते हैं वो एंथर से स्टिग्मा उसी प्लांट के सेम प्लांट में मूव करते हैं। वेयर एज सेल पॉलिनेशन में जो पॉलन ग्रेन्स हैं वो एंथर टू स्टिग्मा मूव करते हैं, बट सेम फ्लावर में भी हो सकते हैं, डिफरेंट फ्लावर में भी हो सकते हैं और डिफरेंट प्लांट्स में भी हो सकते हैं। ओके, सीड्स डिस्प्रेजल, सीड डिस्प्रेजल, सीड डिस्प्रेजल, seed dispersal. Seeds are dispersed by different type. First is by water, by animals, by air and by bursting. First point is dispersal by air. Second, dispersal by water. Third, dispersal by animals. And fourth one is dispersal by bursting. Dispersal by bursting. This is the important topic. This chapter is completed. In my next video, we will start chapter number 13, that is motion and time. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.